Okay, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how I analyze NAS100. In some brokers you see it as NASDAQ, you see it as US Tech. Yeah, so I'm going to be showing you how I analyze NASDAQ. These are NASDAQ charts. So what I do, first of all, I look at two things. I look at other how should I put it, a support turn resistance zone. If I'm looking for a sell, I look at resistance zone. Then if I'm looking for a buy, I look at my support levels. This basically the first step, or the first thing any trader normally does. You buy from a support zone, then sell from a resistance level. But this resistance and support and support level, they are slightly advanced than the normal trend line support and resistance level most of you all are used to. So basically this is how it works. Now let's say, okay, all right, no, let me use this. Let's see, okay, from here now I've spotted this as a support turn resistance level. How? This, the breakout, then the retouch, or should I say the retest rather, making it a resistance level, support, turning resistance. That's noted. Then what I'm showing you is how I do trade NAS100. I'm just trying to simplify it. Then the next thing I look for, since I'm looking at a resistance level, I'll be going short on NAS100. So the next thing I'll look for an M formation, or as we do call it sometimes, a double top. Now this is a double top. This is a double top. 1, 2. I'll be making videos on price action trading later on, or should I say chart patterns rather. I'll be making a video on chart patterns later on, so you get to understand. For those who don't understand, you get to understand more of what I'm saying. Now this is a double top, or should I say an M formation, for a simple for you to understand better. Always know, if you don't know about the M formation, always know that this is the leg, this being the leg, it should be, I'll try to make it quite easy for you to understand. It should be quite long. The leg should be long. The leg should be long. This leg you're seeing, it should be long. Then this place you're seeing as the middle, with the neckline, it should not be as long as the leg. it should not be as long as the leg. It should be perhaps half of it or quarter of it or whatsoever, but it should not be more than, it should not be as long as the leg. You get, this is the middle. Now this is the M formation. Leg, tap, tap. Then what you have to wait for, what I do, once I've seen this formation and I see price break out from this neckline, this is the neckline. Once I see that price break out from this neckline, what I do, I wait for price to reverse. Now once price retraces, I'll show you 2 steps on how you can take your trade. Once price retraces, if your account size is quite alright and your broker spread is low, this is what you do. You can wait for some sort of sell confirmation in this area, within this area. This happened here, it could happen here, it could have happened here, but know that not above this other head, not above this other head. It should not happen above this other head. So what you are looking for, I give for some sort of sell confirmation, some sort of price rejection from here or here within this area. Then your stop loss will be just above this other head, to be just above this other top, be above the second top. Then you could take your profits here or wherever you want to take your profit. But I advise, if you don't have proper analysis of the market, take your profit in, or should I say below, how should I put it down, below the previous support. So this breakout, now the previous support level, price has tested it 1 2 3 4 times. So our take profit should be here, take profit here, entry somewhere around here or whatsoever. Then stop loss above. But if you are to use this, your risk to reward ratio will be quite high sometimes. So instead of using this is the other one that you try out. This is what you are to use. Now once you spotted the breakout, wait for the reversal. Now wait for price to get back to this neckline where the breakout occurred. Wait for price to get to this neckline when the breakout occurred. Then switch to a lower time frame. Just say M15. Now immediately the close of that candlestick in the neckline in that lower time frame. Immediately the close of it, let's say time is 1:15 a.m. so that 1:15 a.m. this candlestick closed, then this one open. Immediately the open of this one, enter the trade. Now once you enter the trade, I don't really place stop loss once it breaks out again. I don't really place stop loss. I trade my stop. That's to say I lock profits. So I don't know what system you develop in placing your stop loss, but for me, I do trade my stop loss. So that's basically how I trade NAS100.